Let me tell you my perspective. My perspective about a products which we see on television. Let me start my video with a question. Do we really need celebrity to endorse the products which we need? Is it, as per my perspective, we don't need any celebrity for the products they are endorsing. Imagine for a moment I would like to buy a packet of chips, for example. If I go to the store and if I ask for a chips packet, should I consider any celebrity should endorse that, or any celebrity should recommend me which chips I should eat? Doesn't it look shabby? Doesn't it look very awkward? But guys, let me tell you, this is a pattern. This is a all set pattern. We have been watching too many ads in and day out. Maybe on television, or a cinema hall. We are keep watching so many ads, and it's a mental pattern. If we see any product along with a face of any celebrity, we try to match that product with that celebrity, the stardom of that celebrity. But if you think practically, that particular celebrity is not absolutely using that product. That is for sure, it's a common sense. For example, do you really think Shah Rukh Khan is using maybe a recent ad he is showing Baiju app? Do you think Shah Rukh Khan's children are using Baiju app? Absolutely not. For instance, even Salman Khan or any Ranveer Singh, they both are endorsing. I think they both are endorsing thumbs up. Do you think they are really drinking thumbs up in their houses, maybe on daily basis? Absolutely not. Then why are they recommending us? And top of that, why are we considering them as a brand ambassador or as a promoter of that product which we feel is not good for the health? So next time whenever I go and buy anything, any product, I will definitely see whether that product is helpful, that product is healthy for me, or maybe if it is not eatable, I will definitely check whether that product is usable for me, but not on the face of the celebrity. But definitely I'll consider whether that product is useful for me or not. I want to break this chain somewhere. I would urge people who are watching this video, I would definitely urge people not to consider celebrities for their recommendation, because we all know, it's a common sense, we all know they are definitely not using these products. They are getting a huge money, and that money comes out of our pocket only. We normally get convinced the way they are promoting anything. For instance, if you watch a ad of advertisement of thumbs up or Pepsi, so we get influence by the way they are showing the products and the way they are selling it. But it doesn't mean the product which they are endorsing is useful. Definitely not. Then why we are considering those recommendations? Can't we use our common sense? Okay, this is my personal opinion. Your perspective may be a different one apart from me. You may have some other opinion. So I will definitely consider any product henceforth whenever I will go to the store, and whenever I see anything which I want to buy, I will definitely consider the usefulness of that product, the suitability of that product, but definitely not I will not buy that product watching the face of the celebrity, because it's absolutely foolish. It's absolutely not worthy to see any celebrity who is selling the product and we are buying it. It's a completely it's a business, of course. They are earning good money out of it. They are spending we are spending a lot of money, and then they are gaining a lot of money. So I want to break this chain somewhere. I want to just stop it somewhere, and this is my perspective, personal perspective, that we should not consider any recommendation of any celebrity about the product which we need. We should able to decide what we need, what is better for us, for our health, for our screen, for our eyes, maybe for our teeth, for our hair, anything. So why should I consider, I look at the celebrity and buy that product? So let us stop this chain somewhere. We will buy only those products which is helpful, which is benefited to our skin, maybe our body, our teeth, our hair, etc. And we will not definitely get influenced by the celebrity. So make sure, from this video I want to start that chain. You can share your perspective also. My perspective, your perspective, my perspective may be a different, but you have to share your perspective whether we should really consider the celebrity's recommendation before buying any product. In my opinion, no, we should not consider. So to share your views, share your perspective. I am just uploading this video on my Facebook channel. I let also other people think on that. This is a very sensitive issue, and I think everyone should consider this issue, and let the change bring in. With this video I want to start a chain. You can also comment me on my communication skill and the way I have made this video, and just do let me know your reactions, your like, dislike. I am absolutely okay whether if you have a dislike or you are not in agreement with what I am saying in this video, but definitely share your views. Let me also understand what other people are saying. This is Vishal signing off till the time we meet next. Thank you.